is up? Nouveau from Chem Kids here. Our second package arrived. So, magic liquid looks fun. So, for this one, plastic tray. Let's get that out. Oh, and here it is. Okay. Protective gloves right there. And eyewear. Check. Protective gloves. Gloves check. Okay, pH indicator, thymal blue solution. Okay. Okay, here's our beaker. Got the thermal sticker. Okay. First prepare the pH indicator thymal blue solution. Thymal. There's the thymal blue. Let's get a big spoon of that. Okay, I feel like this is gonna be better. Merry Christmas. Alright, I'm gonna stand over here so you can see the camera easier. Alright, so they give you paper clips so you can, look, here's me. So you can pierce these and make your solution. Whoa, it's like purple. It's supposed to be blue. Okay. Oh, it said do it on a plastic tray. Alright, 1 spoon of this. Whoa. Okay, that's gonna mess with my brain. Oh, it's not even. Into the beaker. That is weird. Dripping that, it looked like dye. And then that is a lot of water. Looks like vanilla extract. Make sure it's not vanilla extract. Just gonna let the rest of that drip in. I need to get that water. I didn't do that. 150 milliliters approximately. There. Still got some water left. Now it's deep red. This says blue. This is not blue. Alright. Next step. Prepare samples of substances that might affect the solution pH in different ways. 5 drops of NaSHO4, which is the purple one in here. This is going to be a fun one to sample after. Sodium hydrogen sulfate. We've used this before. Okay. You're actually supposed to put these in these cups, so I renewed the solution. There's enough. And let's keep going. Just move this over here for now. Not off of the tray quite yet. We need 5 drops of NaSHO4 and 5 drops of citric acid. 3, 4, 5. Okay. I'm not sure why just that's going in there. Seems like a little much. Like a petri dish or something. But whatever. Citric acid now. next one. You do get all of this stuff included in the set, so don't worry about, wait, I don't have any cups that my mom will let me put stuff in. Yeah, no. You get 50 with the starter pack. 2, 4, 5. I also got myself a chair. Okay. Next up. Oh, I still need this. Alright. Move that one over there. Okay, let's put the citric acid right there, the sodium hydrogen sulfate right there. And this one, the citric acid and Na2CO3 right here. 1, 2, 4, 5. Still plenty of it left. I feel like I can do this experiment more than twice. And Na2CO3, the green bottle. And it's sodium carbonate. Okay. The app will let you look at this stuff because of this unique code. I've actually never seen that before. It will let you look with VR into the chemical makeup of the chemical. Whatever chemical it may be. This one's stubborn. There we go. And it's erupting. And 5 drops of this in here. Don't worry. I do need these both in the same one, too. Started bubbling. That was 3, right? 5. Ooh. Something's going on. Not sure how well you can see that. It started bubbling like crazy. This doesn't all go in the same thing, does it? No, it's in separates. Quick vinegar baking soda, except it's citric acid baking soda. Reaction. Okay, so let's put these 2 in. 5 drops apiece. On here, can move this off for now. It says danger 1. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. They haven't mixed. Okay. There's one. That's that. This one, let's do pure citric acid. 1, 3, 4, 5. Let's put that over there. And then SHO4. Oops. Okay. Next is the baking soda alone. Okay. Oop. Okay, that was honestly a little weird. It started like either this or my gloves is very static. Here's the baking soda spoon. What's next? 5 drops of Na2CO3. Just that. Totally clean cups. I'm gonna have to try these out in VR sometime. 2, 3, 4, 5. Always put the lid on. Alright, what's next? Disturb the solution equally. Oh, distribute the solution equally. I thought it said disturb the solution equally. 3, 4, 5. I got 2 cups too many. Don't need that one, and I need to rinse out this one. Alright, so we got 150. Almost. Okay, we have 150 milliliters. Divide that by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. We need 30 milliliters in each. I never thought I'd use math in science. That's a lie. Yes, I did. Math is in science all the time. So 30, halfway point between 25 and 50. 50 divided by 4 is 25 divided by 2, which is 12.5. That's 36. 37.5, so. Okay. Oh, it's purple. It's yellow. Yes. Is that red or pink? Whoa. It's orangish yellow, and it's... Ooh. What the... It was purple, and then it just disappeared. Now it's just yellow. That's not much pH. That's very alkaline. Look at this. I pour it in. I'm not sure what's going on. Okay, look at this. It's very alkaline, but it was that's very acidic. It was very acidic for a second, and then it was alkaline. This was another Chem Kids video, and like, subscribe to us and MEL Chemistry for helping this, for sponsoring. First sponsor I've gotten. And see you next time. Bye.